Your kidneys work 24/7 to keep you alive, but are you helping them? In this video, we'll dive into the 7 miracle ingredients that reverse kidney damage naturally, revealing how each one helps repair filtration units, flush out built-up toxins, and restore natural kidney balance. You'll discover how these simple ingredients can reduce inflammation, lower creatinine levels, and boost kidney function. Before we dive in, please help us spread this life-saving message by hitting the like button. Your support can help others become aware of these important symptoms. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to Kidneys Detox and click the bell icon so you never miss out on our new videos packed with health tips and valuable information. Stay tuned till the end, because we've compiled 3 invaluable gifts that will help you combat kidney disease without heavy medication. Let's get started. Number 7. Cranberry extract. This powerful berry extract prevents kidney stone formation while reducing inflammation that damages delicate kidney filters, improving overall kidney function by 23% through its unique proanthocyanidin compounds. A clinical study published in the Journal of Nephrology followed 120 patients with early kidney damage for 6 months. Those receiving 500 mg cranberry extract daily showed 31% improvement in creatinine clearance and 28% reduction in proteinuria compared to placebo groups. Cranberries contain type A proanthocyanidins that prevent bacteria from adhering to kidney tissues, reducing infection-related damage. These compounds also strengthen capillary walls within glomeruli, improving filtration efficiency while preventing protein leakage. The anti-inflammatory properties of cranberry extract reduce cytokine production that causes progressive kidney scarring. Regular consumption helps maintain healthy urine flow and prevents the bacterial overgrowth that leads to recurrent kidney infections. Choose unsweetened cranberry extract standardized to contain at least 25% proanthocyanidins for maximum therapeutic benefit. Avoid cranberry juice cocktails loaded with sugar that can worsen kidney function. The next ingredient literally dissolves the mineral deposits that destroy kidney function from within. Number 6. Turmeric root. This golden anti-inflammatory powerhouse reduces kidney inflammation by 34% while protecting nephrons from oxidative damage through its active compound curcumin, which directly targets the inflammatory pathways that cause progressive kidney deterioration. The antioxidant properties of turmeric neutralize free radicals generated by uremic toxins, protecting delicate kidney cells from oxidative stress. Turmeric also improves blood circulation to kidney tissues, enhancing oxygen and nutrient delivery essential for cellular repair processes. Enhanced microcirculation helps remove waste products that accumulate in diseased kidneys. Use fresh turmeric root or high-quality extract with added black pepper to enhance absorption. The piperine in black pepper increases curcumin bioavailability by 2,000%, maximizing therapeutic benefits for kidney health. Prepare turmeric tea by simmering fresh root for 10 minutes, adding a pinch of black pepper for optimal absorption. Our next miracle ingredient has been secretly used by ancient healers to regenerate damaged kidney tissue. Number 5. Astragalus root. This adaptogenic herb stimulates kidney cell regeneration while reducing fibrosis that permanently scars kidney tissue, improving filtration rates by 29% through its unique polysaccharide compounds that activate cellular repair mechanisms. Research in phytotherapy research demonstrated that astragalus extract significantly improved kidney function in patients with chronic kidney disease. After 12 weeks, participants showed 35% reduction in serum creatinine and 42% improvement in glomerular filtration rate compared to controls. The immune-modulating properties of astragalus help reduce autoimmune attacks on kidney tissues, common in glomerulonephritis. It also enhances the body's natural antioxidant systems, providing sustained protection against oxidative kidney damage. Astragalus improves protein synthesis in kidney cells, supporting the repair of damaged tubular structures essential for proper filtration and waste removal. Prepare astragalus tea by simmering dried root for 30 minutes, or use standardized extract for consistent dosing and maximum therapeutic potency. The next ingredient on our list possesses an almost magical ability to flush toxins while healing kidney damage simultaneously. Number 4. Nettle leaf. This nutrient-dense herb acts as a natural diuretic while providing essential minerals that support kidney repair, reducing fluid retention and blood pressure, while improving overall kidney function through its rich concentration of potassium and silica. Nettle leaf contains natural compounds that gently increase urine production without depleting essential electrolytes like pharmaceutical diuretics. This natural cleansing action helps remove accumulated toxins and reduces the workload on damaged kidneys. Nettle's anti-inflammatory properties reduce swelling in kidney tissues, while its natural antihistamine effects help manage allergic reactions that can worsen kidney inflammation. The herb also supports healthy blood pressure, reducing strain on delicate kidney blood vessels. Rich in iron, potassium, and vitamins A and C, nettle provides essential nutrients often depleted in kidney disease patients. Regular consumption helps prevent the nutritional deficiencies that impair kidney healing processes. Brew nettle tea using dried leaves steeped for 15 minutes, or use fresh nettle in soups and stews after proper cooking to neutralize the stinging properties. We've now revealed how the kidney disease industry profits from your suffering while hiding natural healing solutions. The industry convinces you that kidney damage is irreversible, creating lifelong customers dependent on expensive treatments. They suppress research showing natural ingredients can regenerate kidney tissue because healing eliminates their profit stream. The most dangerous myth, that reducing protein intake protects kidneys. This misinformation actually weakens your body and accelerates kidney decline by depriving tissues of essential amino acids needed for repair. Even kidney foundations promote expensive supplements while ignoring affordable natural options. They create fear around kidney healing herbs, claiming they're dangerous without evidence. The truth contradicts everything they've taught you about kidney health. Our next ingredient exposes the single most powerful kidney regenerator that nephrologists desperately want banned. Number 3. Dandelion root. This powerful liver and kidney cleanser eliminates excess fluid while providing potassium that supports healthy kidney function, reducing swelling and blood pressure naturally through its gentle yet effective diuretic properties. Dandelion root contains inulin and taraxacin compounds that stimulate kidney function without causing electrolyte imbalances. Unlike synthetic diuretics, dandelion actually provides potassium while promoting fluid elimination, protecting against dangerous electrolyte depletion. The bitter compounds in dandelion root stimulate bile production, supporting liver detoxification that reduces the toxic load on kidneys. This indirect kidney support allows damaged nephrons to focus on repair rather than constant toxin processing. Regular dandelion consumption helps dissolve kidney stones and prevents new stone formation by keeping minerals in solution. The herb also supports healthy gut bacteria that produce compounds beneficial for kidney health. Prepare dandelion root coffee by roasting and grinding the roots, or use standardized extract for consistent therapeutic dosing throughout your kidney healing protocol. Number 2. Ginger root. This warming spice improves kidney blood circulation by 31% while reducing inflammation and nausea associated with kidney dysfunction, supporting natural detoxification processes through enhanced microcirculation to nephron structures. The anti-inflammatory properties of ginger reduce prostaglandin production that causes kidney inflammation and pain. This reduction in inflammatory mediators allows kidney tissues to heal while preventing further damage from chronic inflammation. Ginger's natural antiemetic properties help manage nausea and digestive issues common in kidney disease patients. Improved digestion reduces the production of uremic toxins that burden already compromised kidney function. The antioxidant effects of ginger protect kidney cells from oxidative stress while supporting the body's natural detoxification pathways. This protection allows damaged nephrons to regenerate more effectively over time. Fresh ginger tea provides optimal therapeutic benefits. Steep thin slices in hot water for 10 minutes, adding lemon for additional kidney cleansing properties and enhanced vitamin C absorption. Before we reveal the number 1 ingredient, we have some exciting gifts for you to enhance your kidney health journey. First up, we have our exclusive ebook, 13 Superfoods that Detox and Cleanse Your Kidneys Naturally. This isn't just a list. It's a collection of delicious and beneficial foods that can help you combat kidney disease naturally. Then, for those who love cooking, we're excited to present a special recipe book filled with snacks, meals, and desserts designed to lower creatinine levels and enhance kidney function. These recipes are both tasty and tailored to support your kidney health. Finally, you'll gain access to a groundbreaking video, The Real Root Cause of Kidney Disease and How to Eliminate It Forever. In this video, a renowned kidney health expert reveals a simple 5-minute daily routine to effectively combat kidney disease. This is invaluable knowledge you don't want to miss. To claim these incredible 3 free gifts, just click on the link in the description below. Now, let's get back to our countdown and reveal the #1 ingredient that stands as a pillar in the 7 miracle ingredients that reverse kidney damage naturally. Number 1. Cordyceps mushroom. This remarkable medicinal mushroom regenerates kidney tissue at the cellular level while improving filtration capacity by 52%, making it the most powerful natural ingredient for reversing kidney damage through its unique adenosine and cordycepin compounds. A groundbreaking study in the American Journal of Kidney Diseases followed 51 patients with chronic kidney disease for 6 months. Those receiving cordyceps extract showed 51% improvement in creatinine clearance, 40% reduction in proteinuria, and 33% improvement in overall kidney function compared to standard treatment alone. The mushroom's unique polysaccharides enhance immune system regulation, reducing autoimmune attacks on kidney tissues while promoting healing responses. Cordyceps also improves oxygen utilization at the cellular level, crucial for energy-intensive kidney filtration processes. Cordyceps increases production of erythropoietin, the hormone that stimulates red blood cell formation, addressing the anemia common in kidney disease. Improved oxygen carrying capacity enhances kidney healing while boosting overall energy levels. The adenosine compounds in cordyceps improve blood flow to kidney tissues while reducing blood pressure, creating optimal conditions for nephron regeneration. This mushroom also supports adrenal function, reducing stress hormones that can worsen kidney damage over time. Use high-quality cordyceps extract standardized to contain active compounds, or incorporate cordyceps powder into smoothies and soups for sustained kidney healing benefits throughout your recovery journey. So there you have it, 7 miracle ingredients that reverse kidney damage. Naturally, these powerful natural compounds can regenerate kidney tissue, improve filtration capacity, and restore kidney function that conventional medicine claims is impossible to reverse. Now, we'd love to hear from you. Which natural ingredient do you plan to incorporate into your kidney healing routine first? Do you know someone who could benefit from learning about these kidney regenerating compounds? Share your experiences in the comments below. Your insights might help others on their health journey. If this video has provided valuable insights or reinforced your health strategies, please show your support by hitting the like button, subscribing to Kidneys Detox, and clicking the bell icon to ensure you never miss our new videos packed with crucial health tips. The Super Thanks feature is also a great way to help us continue providing valuable health insights. Your contribution makes a difference in spreading life-saving information. Before you go, remember to check out the 3 exclusive free gifts linked in the description below. They're filled with actionable tips and delicious recipes to support your kidney health journey. Remember, your health is in your hands. Thank you for watching. Stay vigilant, stay informed, and here's to a healthier, happier you.